I don't wanna collab, no, unless I hit you up.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. If you happen to be new, my name is Denasiha, this is Adira, and welcome to our channel. So, as you can see, today's video is vlog style, but it's not technically a vlog. I'm just doing it in the style of a vlog. And as you can see in the title, I am getting my hair done. And I am getting a full frontal install, so not a wig, but a full frontal install for the very first time. And this is crazy because I don't know, I have this like subconscious fear about closures and frontals being sewn down to my head. And I don't know why, because if it's done correctly, it looks great and it's like the most protective thing you can do for your hair other than a wig. Just wanted to try something different because my birthday is in 2 weeks, 1 day, and for whatever reason, every single year, it's not that I don't care about what I do on my birthday, but it's more I just want to look cute and feel good. So I put a lot more effort into deciding what I'm going to do with my hair for my birthday than I do what I'm doing. I don't know, that's just how I am. So since this is my very first time, I decided to take you guys on the journey with me. I have a lot of like nervous excitement around this, but the person that's doing my hair, her name is Lacey. She is the same person who did my I did a video where I got my Mayvenn hair sewn in for the first time, just like a sew-in for the holidays last year, and she's who did that install, but that was with leave out and whatnot. This is the full So I just want to show you guys my situation here in regards to my bundles. All right. As you guys saw, the hair is from Mayvenn Hair. This is not, it wasn't gifted. It's not sponsored. I purchased it with my own money. This is actually my second order of the same hair from them. A lot of people asked in regards to my They Tried It video, what's the hair that ended up working for me? It's the Mayvenn hair. So it's the Peruvian Kinky Straight. The first purchase I made from them was last year because I got my hair done for Thanksgiving to go home. So it's been almost a year and I purchased these two bundles. And I still have them. They're still doing pretty good. However, for my birthday, what are you doing? Sit. He got a glove. For my birthday, I decided that I wanted to do the frontal, and then I just went ahead and got an extra bundle because, you know, fresh new hair is just always better. So I got a new bundle of 18 inches, and I swear this is longer than 18 inches, but I won't tell nobody if you don't. So I got a new bundle of 18 inches, and I got a 16-inch frontal, and this once again is the Peruvian Kinky Straight. This texture is just to die for. It is so pretty, and once I straighten it and then curl it, because that's the look that I'm going for, it's just gonna look so natural and so amazing. Lacey's really like, she's phenomenal at lace, at just melting. I'm so excited. Okay, but anyway, also I guess I forgot that I colored this hair when I got it. I thought that I didn't, but I guess I did. So when I went back to dye the new hair and the old hair, this hair clearly took the color significantly better because I must have dyed this black the first time. Oops. My bad. But the good news is this will be the first bundle that she puts in. My frontal took the color phenomenally, so those would be good. And I actually have like the world's smallest head. I'm just a petite person and my head is super small too, so I'm typically like a 2 bundle girl, depending on the texture, especially with this texture being so voluminous and fluffy. I'll be very surprised if she uses much, if any, of the old bundles. Today is Sunday, November 1st, and I'm going to wash and prep my hair. My appointment is not until Thursday. However, I have a wig review video to do, and that wig is supposed to be here tomorrow, which is like perfect timing because I'm always chewing on something. That's all for now. I'm gonna continue lounging for a little bit. I got up really early this morning for a Sunday and was productive. Went to the gym, went grocery shopping, did my planning for the month, and I'm tired, so I just want to rest for a little bit before I start wash day. So I'm just gonna wash, deep condition, blow her out, and then just braid it down to be out of the way until my appointment. So I will see you guys later. I don't know. My go-to combination for keeping my hair moisturized under protective styles, and that is the Oyen Handmade Burnt Sugar Pomade and my Naturally Adira Crown Care Collection Moisture Rescue Hair Growth Oil. These two together will keep your hair moisturized for weeks, okay? If not longer, especially if your hair's up under a sew-in or a wig or something like that. It really doesn't matter how long you keep it in. Once you take it out, your hair is still gonna be moisturized. So you're welcome for that tip.